In this week's message, the ITS America annual meeting and more. Join us, won't you? Hello everyone, this is your IBTTA weekly update for Friday, June 7th, 2019. I'm Pat Jones. This week, we start with a glimpse of the ITS America annual meeting at the Convention Center in Washington, D.C. I participated in a panel discussion on advancing roadway automation readiness. The panel included representatives from the U.S. Federal Highway Administration, AASHTO, National League of Cities, Transportation Research Board, National Association of Counties, and several other transportation associations and engineering firms. Among the topics we discussed were improving road safety to avoid 40,000 fatalities a year, linking land use decisions with transportation decision-making, getting access to better data and using it appropriately for planning, and enabling the blind, elderly, and those with other disabilities to have the same mobility options as those without disabilities. In a lighter moment, ITS America Chairman Malcolm Dougherty from Michael Baker International offered this reflection on fully automated vehicles.
But the completely autonomous ride, I can tell you in my shared mobility ride from the airport to the hotel yesterday, there's no way an autonomous vehicle would have pulled off what my driver pulled off yesterday in Washington, D.C. Right? We're a long ways from an autonomous
It's probably good that he can't.
At rush hour.
Also this week, the Maryland Board of Public Works voted to allow the state to solicit private companies to build and operate toll lanes on Interstate 270 and the Capitol Beltway as part of Governor Larry Hogan's plan to ease traffic congestion in the Washington suburbs. And finally, be sure to sign up for our Maintenance and Roadway Operations Workshop in Norfolk, Virginia, hosted by the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel and VDOT. Pre-workshop events include our annual conference planning meeting and the IBTTA Foundation Service Project. Be sure to register today. Well, that's our wrap-up for this week. Thanks for joining us, keep in touch, and we'll see you down the road.